हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल विजय क्लासेस। तो आइए चलिए शुरू करते हैं मैथ्स वर्कशीट ऑफ क्लास 9। सो इस वर्कशीट में हमने चैप्टर लिया है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री क्लास 9th का। ओके, चैप्टर नंबर 3rd। सो इसमें आपको उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द वाई कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ अ पॉइंट इन द कार्टेशियन सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एज। बेसिक लर्निंग पॉइंट है, अंडरस्टैंड हेयर फर्स्ट। This is called x-axis, horizontal one, and this vertical one is known as y-axis. So they have their names. X-axis we say abscissa, okay, ABSCISSA, okay, abscissa. And y-axis we say ordinate, okay. Remember this name. Horizontal axis is known as x-axis and vertical axis is known as ordinate, okay, y-axis. So here, according to the question, our answer should be y coordinate they are asking in first question. So answer should be ordinate, okay. First question, B part is right. Okay, now next is perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. Okay, so understand here, perpendicular distance from any point, suppose it is P. So perpendicular distance means this distance, okay, and this distance is equal to y because this line is parallel to y axis. So how much distance, perpendicular distance from x axis to P, that is equal to the y coordinate, okay. So answer of this question is y coordinate. Fine, y coordinate is the right answer of this question. And same we can understand with the second question, perpendicular distance of a point P from y axis. What will happen in this case? It will known as x axis will be the answer, okay. Now question number third. Okay, question number third is saying that the abscissa and the ordinate of the origin point. It is simple. Origin means where the two axes intersect. The point of origin is 0, 0, okay, 0, 0, because x axis is also 0 there and y axis is also there. So origin points 0, 0. Learn this, okay. Now next is question number 4. Abscissa of the point -2 and -3 is what? Abscissa means, just now I told you about abscissa. Abscissa means x axis, okay, x axis, and ordinate means y axis. So abscissa of the point means x axis they are asking. So x axis क्या होगा इसमें? -2, and in option B is correct, -2. Fine. Now question number 5th. Which of the following quadrant is enclosed by a positive x axis and positive y axis? So first understand what is the meaning of positive x, positive y. It is x axis, we know. This is also x axis. This side is negative x axis, this is positive x axis. Same here, up is positive y and down is negative y, okay. So now understand here, this first is known as first quadrant, okay. It is known as second quadrant. Same here, it is known as third quadrant. It is known as fourth quadrant. So first quadrant, what is the sign? Sign is that because x-axis is also positive, y-axis is also positive, so both are having plus sign in first quadrant. In second quadrant, first we write always x-axis, so minus we are writing. Why? Because x is of minus there, minus, and y-axis is plus, so minus and plus is the answer for second axis, second quadrant. Third quadrant is having minus and minus sign because x axis and y axis both are of minus sign. Same here in fourth axis, it means quadrant fourth, plus and minus sign will come. X axis is of plus and y is of minus. This is the thing you have to understand. पहले क्वाड्रेंट में x भी पॉजिटिव है, y भी पॉजिटिव है, तो दोनों साइन पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव के होंगे. दूसरे क्वाड्रेंट में x माइनस का है और y प्लस का, सो माइनस प्लस दूसरे में. तीसरे में दोनों साइन माइनस के हैं, माइनस एक्स एक्सिस है, माइनस वाई एक्सिस है, सो तीसरे क्वाड्रेंट का साइन होगा माइनस और माइनस। चौथे क्वाड्रेंट का साइन होगा एक्स है इसमें प्लस का एंड वाई है इसमें माइनस का, सो प्लस माइनस। ओके, दिस यू हैव टू लर्न। फाइन, वीडियो पॉज करके भी तुम इसको समझ सकते हो अगर थोड़ा जल्दी लग रहा हो आपको तो। ओके, बिकॉज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस विल कम डाउन, आई विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन दिस अगेन। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to understand it carefully. Okay, now we are coming to the point, and that is which of the following quadrant is enclosed by a positive x and positive y. So positive x and positive y is means first quadrant. Okay, now second, which of the following quadrant is enclosed by a negative x axis and a negative y. Negative x and negative y means it is negative, it is also negative. Third quadrant is of negative negative. Okay, so option C is correct. Now question number 7, you see question number 7 is saying that points minus 4 comma 0 and 6 comma 0 lie on which quadrant. Okay, question number 7, they are saying they lie in which quadrant. Understand here, here x axis minus 4 means x axis, 0 means y axis. Second point is also 6 is on x axis, 0 is on y axis. It means ऑन वाई एक्सिस वी आर नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर, वाई एक्सिस पे हम कोई पॉइंट नहीं शो कर रहे हैं, एक्स एक्सिस पे कर रहे हैं, तो ओवरऑल दीज टू पॉइंट्स विल लाई ऑन एक्स एक्सिस ओनली। ओके, बिकॉज वाई पे कोई नंबर नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो वाई पे हम कोई भी पॉइंट शो नहीं कर रहे, दोनों पॉइंट हमारे एक्स एक्सिस पे होंगे। कैसे, प्लस 6,0 कैसा होगा, 6 हम जाएंगे एक्स पे और वाई पे तो हम गए नहीं बिल्कुल भी, सो 6,0 इज़ हेयर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस। सेम हेयर माइनस 4 जाएंगे हम एक्स एक्सिस पे एंड 0 हम गए नहीं वाई एक्सिस पे, इसका मतलब ये एक्स एक्सिस पे रहेंगे, तो दोनों पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस पे रहेंगे हमारे। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेंट इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय अ पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस एंड अ नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस। ओके, अगेन सी, it is of positive positive negative negative. Question is saying that which of the following quadrant is enclosed by a positive x axis and a negative y axis. X axis is positive, it means here, and y axis negative, it means it is quadrant number 4. So option D is correct for question number 8. Okay, now let's see question number 9. Question number 9 is saying the coordinate of the points shown in the graph below are. See, coordinates of the point. We have to find the coordinates of P point. P is given here. Okay, so P is on x-axis. You see how much it is. It is 3 on x-axis, and on y-axis how much? It is written -2. So 3 comma -2 will be answer of it. Okay, let's check where is it. Is option B. Option B. Okay, how to check any point is having which coordinate? So just check that on y-axis how much it is traveling. Just see the P point again. Okay, just see the P point again. We are starting from origin. From origin, how much distance we have traveled on x-axis? That is 3 only. And to reach P point, how much distance we have traveled? It is -2. So coordinate is -3 comma -2. Okay, it is your answer, B part. Okay, now next, which of the following statement is true? Okay, 2 comma 3 lies in first quadrant. So how to check without plotting it? In A option both are of plus sign. Lie in second quadrant sign is not plus, both plus is of first quadrant, because x axis is also positive there and y is also positive. Okay, in B option you see 1 comma 2, it means plus comma minus. It lie in fourth quadrant, of course in fourth quadrant it is plus, it is minus, so quadrant sign is plus minus, so option B is correct. Option B is correct. Now option C is C. Let's check, both are of minus, minus sign is of quadrant 3 not 2, so it is also incorrect. And fourth one minus 2 comma 2 lines, third quadrant again both are of minus. So our answer B is correct for this question. Okay, I hope these all things are clear. If still any doubt, leave a comment in comment box, and see you with the next worksheet or next topic. Take care.